Hi, I'm Jeff Tobe, Managing Partner with Customer Experience Systems, CES. Customers tend to stick with those companies who respect their needs and their time while seeking other options when they feel ignored. But that's true for all industries. The engineering industry, with its innovations and ideas and manufacturing challenges, provides management with additional hurdles to clear in providing exceptional customer experience. Without it, new products might not get made and investments may never arrive. When approaching clients with a product or a speculative set of drawings for their approval, it's critical that the listeners understand the concepts being proffered by the engineers. I recently heard the CEO of a large engineering firm say to all his staff, the problem is that we speak a different language. Our clients don't understand engineer-ese. To bridge the communication gap, salespeople often bring technical engineers to sales calls, while engineers bring sales-oriented professionals to close deals. Clients ultimately can receive the most effective service from salespeople who are trained in the technical aspects of the engineering services they're selling. Then engineers don't have to drop important tasks to go on a sales call. Clients get all the information they need from a professional skilled at guiding conversations, and deals get made. In the engineering sector, it's vital that engineers develop products that do not have to be replaced every few years. They have to listen to both current and future needs of their clients in order to provide them with the most effective solutions. It's important to the overall financial picture of companies for engineers to rely on exceptional customer service and take into consideration the challenges each client faces when it comes to modernization, global competition, energy utilization, and regulatory expectations. Clients look for that kind of well-rounded expertise in engineering firms, and those are the firms that will prosper in the future. Researchers at global consulting firm McKinsey and Company reported that 19 cents of every dollar spent on manufacturing goes to service sector jobs, which includes engineering research and development and support services. Those jobs play an important role in the economy and in the presence of manufacturing in the global marketplace. It's more important than ever that manufacturing companies rely heavily on their customer experience professionals to carry them into the future to create innovative products and services, respond according to the market demands, and maintain swift and accurate communications with consumers. For more information on how we at Customer Experience Systems help engineering firms go beyond customer service to make them the employer of choice in their region, the vendor of choice in their niche, and make them more money, go to www.thecxedge.com. Thanks for watching.